Hey guys, Zar here. Good morning to you. Hope all is well and trust you're having a good day. It's Manic Monday, December 8th, 2025, 9:27, so 3 minutes to go until the New York Open. This is the daily frame, the Nasdaq, the S&P and the Dow. We have inside day, inside day, inside day, marginal bullish bodies on all three. Smallish candles compared with the wider ranging candle of Friday. So kind of resting here. And of course, it's Manic Monday, and that means extra patience because interesting things happen on Manic Mondays. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, guys, you'll see that we are stuck in a range here from London and from Asia overnight, and we're kind of heading down. We're heading south here as we speak. That's the Nasdaq. This is the S&P with a very similar picture. You will see that we've had a bit of a whippy session here for the pre-market, oscillating around the London Open from much earlier, 3 a.m. New York time. Now, of course, it's 9:28 a.m. and now dropping down below the London Open range, but the New York Open happens very soon, probably around the same location as the Asian Open range. And there's the 1-minute open range, guys. We're looking at 54 points on the Nasdaq. That's a fair size. And only 6 points on the S&P. Pushing a little higher here right out of the gates. Notice how the New York Open range is completely straddling the London Open range. It's Manic Monday, guys, and that means being patient, just sitting and watching, observing. You'll notice we have a divergence here, guys, between the two sisters. Just dropping down to the 30-second chart here. So the question is, can the Nasdaq pull up the S&P, or will the S&P pull down the Nasdaq? S&P being 500 blue chip stocks, Nasdaq only being 100 sort of tech heavy stocks. Pulling down below the open range on the Nasdaq as well, guys. Big topping tail here on the Nasdaq. Definitely resolving bearish here for the time being. Nothing for me to do. All right, guys, dropping down. Sell stop order. Stop above. And I just pulled back right there. Right there, guys. 46.5 point. I know that was fast. Apologize for that. Bear with me for 1 second. I know that was super quick, but I'm glad it pulled back to my entry after I set it, because I always like you to see exactly where I'm getting in. I like to be accurate. Big reversal of fortune here, guys. The sentiment has shifted big time. Selling coming in, as you can see, at a rapid pace. I might not even get time to place my markers here. Target 1 has been hit, guys. This is a fairly typical Manic Monday tug of war. Break above, break below, back inside, and then diving down. Big shift action right there. That continued, as you can see. And now we're pulling back just a little bit here. Still 10 minutes to go in that first 30-minute candle. And so why am I short here, guys? Very simple concept. We have an inside day. It was a bullish body. Now it's a bearish body. We had a very strong push up here on the open and then failed very quickly against a very weak S&P. If you remember, the Nasdaq pushed up, right? Fake move. Strong attempt here against a declining S&P. S&P was selling down. Nasdaq was trying to push against the tide and then eventually capitulated and began to sell down. When we got down here, we got some shifting going on, big strong selling, and that's where I entered right here. Shifting below the low of the session, break below open range, break into a turbo zone right here. Not the cleanest of traffic. There was actually a zone here that I had, but that was from a very low volume, really almost no volume time of day. Australia open. Asia hadn't even opened yet. So I just took that out and extended my arrow here, as you can see. just to show you the range that I'm working with, and then flipping of the daily body, of course, into negative territory as well. But on these Manic Mondays, very often there's a failure to follow through, and there certainly are no guarantees that we're going to get further than 1R here. And target 2 has been hit. And there it is, guys. Took a little bit of patience, but eventually played out. Thanks for joining me. Appreciate you. And I will see you tomorrow for Twisted Tuesday. Take care. Have a great afternoon.